Hello, hi first graders, it's Mrs. Garcia here for your last tutorial video. This is about how to get on Epic Books. So if you are a first grader in my class, Miss Maisha's class, or Miss Stark's class, you have definitely used Epic Books this year. So we're going to walk through the process of getting on to Epic Books at home. So first thing you want to do is open a web browser. Again, at school we always use Google Chrome, so that's a great option. I already have a couple windows up here, but we're going to add a new tab. To get on Epic Books is very easy to access. All you have to do is go to getepic.com/students. And once you go to getepic.com/students, it's going to direct you to a web page that looks like this. And students, this is where you're going to type in your class code. If you can't remember your class code, that's okay. It is shared on the website, and if you can't find it on the website, you can always ask your teacher. But if you go to the resources tab in our website, everything is laid out right there for you. So if you are in my class, I'm going to use our code. Our code is HYY3384. And I'm sure most of you probably remember that. So once you click that and click go, it's going to load our whole class full of students. So here you can see, I know that my picture in the corner is going to cover a few people, but if you scroll down, you can see everyone in our class, and all you have to do is find which person you are. So I've been using Davis for all of my other examples, so Davis, I'm going to pick on you one more time, and I'm going to borrow your Epic Books. So if I find my name Davis, and I click on my little picture, and Epic is full of books for you to read. So there's books that are 4 years, so based on what you have been reading all year in first grade, Epic will kind of compile a list of books that it thinks you might like. Or if there's books you've already started reading, like some of these, it looks like Davis started, but he hasn't finished some of them yet, and that's okay. Just click on it, go through, and get one finished. If you are looking for books that will read to you, so maybe you just want to listen to a book, you can click Read to Me. And everything that comes up in this section is all books that will read to you. So if you click on them, I'm just going to go click on one. Let's do Knock Knock Moo Hoo. Sure. Sounds like a good book. We're going to click it. Oh, he's already started this one. Sorry, Davis. So if you just click play down here, it will read to you. Maybe.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Lion. Lion who? Lion on your doorstep. Open up.
And I'm going to pause this for now. But if you do read to me, it will track along. So the words that it's reading, it kind of bubbles those words up bigger. And then whenever you are done, or maybe you don't want to read this book anymore, just click X and it's going to take you out of it. When you are reading books, I'm going to go through and do one that doesn't read to you so that I can just scroll through it to the end. But when you go through books, if you go all the way to the very end, this is one thing that's a good thing to remember. So there's 47 pages, so let's say I go through and I read the whole thing. Once I get to the very end, you want to make sure you click this little bubble that says Finish Book. So when you click it that says Finish Book, that way it actually registers that you're actually reading the book, and that's how you earn things on Epic Books. I'm not 100% sure what you earn, but the kids definitely know what you earn because that's how you have little numbers under your name. So that is one thing you will want to make sure that you are going to do. And then if there's something specific you're looking for, so maybe you're looking for Pete the Cat. So if I go up here to search and I type in Pete the Cat, it's going to bring up all the Pete the Cat books that it has for me. Or maybe I want to do Berenstain Bears. So I'm going to type in Berenstain Bears. And when I do this, it brings up all the books. Now, if you're looking for specific Berenstain Bear books that read to you, I don't think that any of them do, but you would click this little Read to Me option, and it would pull up any books that were available to read with you. And like I said, there's books, there's videos, there's all sorts of things you can do on here. Just a fun way. We normally did this in our classrooms on Friday after we had our spelling test. Just a great way to just kind of tune out the rest of the world, put on a book and read it, or have it read to you. And like I said, there's hundreds and hundreds of resources on here. So this is how you access Epic Books. If there are any questions that we could further answer, please let us know and we'd be happy to help. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.